see you. Yes, that's the name of the dish. This dish is from Thailand, right? It's around the block, but we're gonna get straight into it. First, what about this size of ginger? Peel it and then mince it. Mince it to about this consistency. We're gonna pull it in a bowl. Grab garlic and do the same thing. Put it in a bowl. Now, grab your Thai basil. What makes Thai basil different from regular basil? It has more of a strong taste to it. For me, that's what I think. How to identify Thai basil? It looks like regular basil, but has hints of purple in it. And then if you look at this, I don't know if this, we call this right here, but this little nug, little weed looking, it will have this and it will most likely be purple. Just look out for that, and that's Thai basil. It smells like regular basil, but it's just a little strong. So grab about a branch, about this much, pick off your leaves, stack them, roll them, spark it, cut it, and put it aside. We're saving this until the end of the dish. Now grab your Thai chili pods. There's little small, thin chili peppers. They look like this. Cut the tops off, slice it down the middle, and remove the seeds. Make sure you're wearing gloves, but if you don't have gloves, do not touch your eyes. This shit will sting your shit up. Once you remove the seeds, slice them thin slices and put them with the ginger and the garlic. Grab your chicken. I have chicken thighs here, 4 chicken thighs. If you see like this little like tail of the chicken thigh that's just hanging off, you can remove that, but try not to remove a lot of fat from the chicken itself. Slice your chicken of thin slices. Doesn't have to be too thin, doesn't have to be too thick, just right in the middle. Put them in a bowl. Add your garlic. We're gonna add lime juice. We cut a whole lime, we're gonna use 2 halves and juice them. Add onion powder and pepper. That's it. Mix it, seal it with plastic wrap, put it in the fridge, and we're gonna leave it in there for about 30 minutes. Finally, grab your bok choy. Baby milk bok choy. There's a ½ pound in this bag, so I use half of it. Slice the root, put it aside. Slice the root, put it aside. Slice the root, put it aside. Hey, slice the root, put it aside. Wash them, get all the dirt out, just in case if there's dirt, and then put it aside. And then, bro. And what do you want to, bro? Chill. The camera bugging now, you want to bug out. I just wanted to say I'm sorry I carded you last week. Go, wow, that shit was funny. But I made a nigga up. What you want?
Oh, really?
Snapple, apple, cheesy Cheetos, maybe blue bag of Doritos. I don't know, maybe some Fritos.
Oh, really?
Nigga, you was bugging. That shit is fucking disgusting. I do not want to pay you that.
Oh, really?
Nigga, shut up. I'm going to the store. I'm giving you a Snapple apple. That's it. Alright, deal. I really hate this one. Either way, boil your water. Once you boil both pots of water, add salt to both. Generous amount, make the water taste salt. Add the bok choy. You don't need to shock out the bok choy because we're gonna use it right away. So just strain the waters from the bok choy, put it in the little pan, whatever you can find. Strain the noodles, put it in whatever you can find. For an estimate time, I would say a minute and a half for bok choy. 3 to 5 minutes for the noodle. Now for our sauce, less sodium soy sauce, put 2 tablespoons in it. Then we have sweet soy sauce, right? Tablespoon of that, and then a tablespoon of oyster sauce. So here's for the cooking. Add a lot of oil, not OD, but like fill the bottom with it. Heat it up, cook your chicken thoroughly. Add in your bok choy, then add in your noodles. Throw in the sauce on top, toss all of it together, and wait! Let's try this out real quick. Your bath, nigga. Alright, go looking, bro. Thank you.